there guys, I'm back again, and I know I'm very late with this, but today we're gonna unbox the Goodiebox. So like I said, I know I'm late with this box, but I wasn't home so I couldn't film. Anyway, we're gonna do it today. So I got the booklet right in front of me. It says Goodiebox Dancing in the Rain, and we got the products listed up here, and then we're gonna rip the paper apart. Pretty much my favorite thing to do. And then this is what the box looks like on the inside. Ooh, so excited what to grab. So let's just start off with this teeny tiny of a thing. I think this is a cuticle, how do you say this in English? A cuticle, wow, I'm a nail stylist, I should know this. But I don't know the English word for it. But basically what you do with this is you push your cuticles back. I think this is glass. That's really, really cool. It's very sturdy. This is like a matte glass over here on this edge. How can I show that to you guys? Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks very, very cool. I was actually looking for a cuticle pusher or whatever you want to call it, and I bought a new one, so I'm gonna put this one in here so when that one is done for, I have another one in a backup. Now let me check the booklet if I can close this little fella. Come on, let me check the booklet and see. Oh, it's over here from Fulgent World. It's a full size and they say it costs 13 euros. Okay, moving on to the next item. What should we grab? Ooh, let's do this really big thing over here. This is from human+kind. So basically humankind. Skincare with a conscience. Okay, this is a shower mousse body wash. Cool. Grapefruit Delight. Sounds good. It's a 2-in-1. Formulated with coconut oil extras. Gently cleanses while leaving the skin feeling moisturized. It's natural, it's vegan, and it's cruelty-free. And this thing, can you see that? This isn't plastic. This is actually aluminum, I think. Yeah, I think the aerosols are usually aluminum. So definitely less plastic in the world. The only thing that's plastic is this cap and this thing. Let me just show you guys, and I think clearly this should be a full size because it's very big. Let's check the booklet. Oh guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so we got 6 items and they're all full size, so that is really cool. All right, stepping up your game, Goodiebox. I really like that. So the humankind shower mousse costs €9.95. I am so glad when companies step up the game. Moving on to, what's this? Oh dude, this is a detangler. I know what this is because I already owned 2 of these, and actually, no, I didn't owned them. I actually still own one. This is so freaking cool. My hair shouldn't be tangled because I literally just did my hair. Oh my goodness, it feels so freaking good. I love it. It's got a good grip on it. And now I ruined my hair, didn't I? Or did I? Well, doesn't matter. It's brushed. It feels soft. It's amazing. Let's see. This is actually from the Goodiebox, like, themselves. It says over here, like, Goodiebox. It's a detangler brush, and it costs €14.95, and I'm so freaking pleased with this. This is not like a standard, I don't know, nail file, you know, that usually boxes, they start off with like regular or glass or whatever nail file, you know, basically the typical things. And it's amazing that the Goodiebox, you know, decided to do this, something completely different. I love it. Amazing. Okay, halfway there. Let's see. Oh, what's this? Daily Concepts. We actually receive a lot of items from Daily Concepts in all boxes. This is the exfoliating body scrubber with smart technology. It's the mild version. It's clinically allergy and wow, what does it say? Dermatologist tested. Wow. Perfect for travel plus for all skin types. And since it is perfect for travel, I might want to keep this for travel purposes, or at least when I'm not at home. Okay, so I'm not going to get it out of the seal just yet, out of the packet. So this is what that little fella looks like. I know that we have received more items from them in the past. We received several body washing, scrubbing sponges, let's say, from them, but I can't remember if I don't think we received this particular one just yet, so I am excited to give it a try. It's a full size, like I said. It's from Daily Concepts, the exfoliating body scrubber, and it costs €6.95. Okay, so we're gonna move on to this. This is the anti-social climber. What? Cancel plans, climbs into bed? What the hell? This is from Nails Inc. It's a nail polish, and is that the name? Wow, yes, it's actually the anti-social climber. Like, that's the name of this. This is ridiculous, and it's awesome. Like, amazing. Don't look at my nails, horrible accident. So they're in extremely rough shape. I haven't, as you can see, taken off the gel yet. I just didn't have time. Just shush. Okay, I know. But basically, this is the color of that. Hopefully, it will show up on camera. I'm not really sure, but like, what's going on here? What? No, down. Okay. It's a full size clearly, and it costs €11. And that is, oh no, there's still, I was just about to say, like, we had 6 items, right? Okay, so there are 2 things in here. Box is empty. So let's see, what's this? A Hayu app, reality on demand, blah blah blah. Oh, it's for basically watching shows, and seriously, they put on the Kardashians. I'm just gonna be honest and say I am not a fan of the Kardashians. I don't watch them. I feel like everybody who watches them just loses brain cells instantly. Like, I don't know, watch documentaries or something interesting, history related things. I don't know, but like, no, I'm sorry. No Kardashians for me. Anyway, this is the last item. Steam cap treatment. Steam cap with, what? Mikura, Copenhagen. Oh, okay, Denmark. Premium mask collection. Hair steam mask. Oh, I was just about to say, like, oh, look, we got, like, a face mask, but it's not a face mask. So let me just show y'all. This is what that fella looks like, and it's a mask for your hair, okay? For your hair, not for the face. So it says here, hair steam mask, treatment for split ends, dry and damaged hair. Home salon treatment for soft, shiny, and luxurious hair. Automatic heating steam hair mask with serum. So there's 1 piece inside. I'm supposed to hold this for 10 minutes. So it says, you've got like stickers so you could, like, you know, kind of seal the deal. No, excuse me, you're supposed to keep it on for between 10 and 15 minutes, and then basically just wash your hair. So this is new, and it's freaking amazing. I love it. Guys, that was, oh, hold on, I was supposed to say that was it, but I wanted to say that was it, but can't speak, but I never said the price. Full size clearly, and it costs €9.50. Okay, so that really was it. Out of all these 6 items, I'm gonna use them all. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna use all of these. They were all interesting. They were all a little bit different. You know, we didn't get like a nail file, but we got a cuticle, gosh, I can't speak, stick. We got a nail polish with an extremely weird name, which is amazing, and kind of a weird but beautiful color. We got a shower mousse thing, but then again, weird with the aerosol. It's not like the clear gel thing. The detangler is amazing. We don't get those often. The mask, but for your hair, amazing. And we're left with the little scrubber that I don't know yet either. So all in all, I love this box. I think this is amazing. Goodiebox, very good on you for stepping up the game, for giving us a solid 6 full-size items instead of like minis we often get. I personally don't really like those minis unless they're of a really high brand like Glam Glove or something. Anyway, no, I really enjoyed this. Thank y'all so much for watching. Leave in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this month's box? I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. And I need to take some air because I've been yapping for 12 minutes. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!